Cross has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Olmsted County in southeastern Minnesota, northeastern Malheur County in southeastern Minnesota, southeastern Dodge County in southeastern Minnesota, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:32 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles southeast of Hayfield, or 14 miles southeast of Dodge Center, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and any-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Rochester around 7:45 p.m. Elgin around 8:15 p.m. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include County Roads 9 and 10, Potsdam, County Roads 3 and 108, County Roads 6 and 15, Salem Corners, Rockdale, and Rochester Airport. This includes Interstate 90 in Minnesota between mile markers 200 and 232. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Why didn't you go off?
A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. for the following counties in Minnesota: Malheur and Olmsted. This is NOAA Weather Radio.
Here we go.
The National Weather Service in La Crosse has issued a severe thunderstorm warning to West Central Wisconsin, South County, West Central Wisconsin, southwestern Jackson County, and West Central Wisconsin, northwestern Monroe County, and West Central Wisconsin, Trumbull County, and West Central Wisconsin, until 10:15 p.m. 9:16 p.m. Severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from 9 miles southeast of Dakota and moving within 30 miles per hour. Expected high winds of 60 miles per hour with gusts. This is a radar indicated impact. Expect damage sighting. Entry. Expect damage to severe thunderstorms will be entry. Arcadia. Severe thunderstorms will be near. And Grand Prairie around 9:20 p.m. Dakota and Independence around 9:25 p.m. On Alaska and Independence around 9:25 p.m. Blair around 9:30. On Alaska around 9:30 p.m. and around 9:45 p.m. Blair around 9:30. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include 45 p.m. Dakota. Stevens. Other locations are Rockland County thunderstorms include